Whenever we have an outage or any other IT issue that needs to be addressed, we hold a post-mortem. We used to do those in Word documents, but we kept hitting a couple issues. One, the text-heavy layout made it really hard for us to get our point across. People just couldn't absorb all the information. And two, partner groups really struggled to add their contributions. Getting them to type it all out in a document was pretty burdensome. So we started using Lucid for post-mortems instead. The issues we're looking at are usually pretty complicated. They require a lot of different information from different people, so we really like using timelines to map out exactly what happened and when. We're all able to look at the situation objectively and get on the same page. Then we can have a really effective discussion on what we need to do to get better. If we need to do some sort of readout, maybe an executive wants to know what happened, we can share these visuals and convey dense information really quickly. We can also use collaborative AI to instantly summarize the entire canvas, take an entire discussion and boil it down to a few main points. From there, Lucid makes it easy to turn the post-mortem into tangible improvements. We can convert notes into actual tasks. They sync directly to our project management system, so fixes don't fall through the cracks. Doing post-mortems in Lucid helps us get better faster. We can see our breakpoints, we can implement fixes really efficiently, and ultimately, that helps us scale as the company continues to grow.